Good morning. Good morning, बच्चों. Morning. मेरी वॉइस आ रही है अंश?
Yes, sir.
ओके अच्छा. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, work, energy and power. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's see, participants are connected and we will start. Okay. As you all know that this is the combined session of 11th E and 11th L. Okay. Just prepare with your copy and pen for learning work, energy and power. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, we are going to start a new chapter in physics, that is work, energy and power, from the beginning. I just want number of participants will increase, then I'll start it. Okay. भव्य. भव्य.
Yes, sir.
इससे पहले कोई प्रॉब्लम इससे फर्स्ट चैप्टर
No,
में
sir.
किसी भी बच्चे को कोई प्रॉब्लम लॉज ऑफ मोशन तक? I have completed 5th chapter with your numerical aspects as well as theory aspect. Still, if you find any kind of difficulty, then you can ask me. Okay. Anyone, anytime you can call me on my personal number if you feel difficulty. Okay. Shall we start? Shall we start? Just tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay. First of all, just check my voice is clear to all of you. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is screen is clear? You are able to see each and everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two more people wants to join, Komal Mishra and Rahul Lathi. Okay, fine. The very first heading in this chapter is work, because the chapter name is work, power and energy. Okay. Now we should know what is the proper meaning of work. First of all, है ना? In a usual language, we say that if a person doing something, we say it as work. But in physics, the term work stands for mechanical work. The term work stands for mechanical work. We deal with mechanical work. What is the meaning of work? When we say in physics that work is done, when we apply a force on a body, and body displays in direction of applied force, then only we said in physics that work is to be done. Okay? Able to understand? If we apply
Yes, sir.
a force on a body, suppose this is a body, and we just apply a force like this, and that force is F. Force is F, and body displays in direction of force. Body displays in direction of
Force.
Force.
We apply a force F here, and body displays in the same direction of applied force, then we say that work to be done in physics. If body displays in an opposite direction or any other direction with respect to applied force, then in physics we can't say that there is a force is to be done. Okay? So what the notes indicates, work is to be done by a force when a body displays actually through some distance in the direction of applied force. If a body displays actually some distance in direction of applied force. When there is no displacement in direction of applied force, no work is to be done. No work is to be done. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that the work done is zero when the displacement of body in direction of force is zero. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, the next terminology for understanding of physics, suppose a force is applied at angle of theta with respect to displacement direction. This is the direction of displacement S. This is the direction of displacement S. And we just apply a force at angle theta with respect to direction of displacement. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And we
sir.
have to consider the component of force in direction of displacement. Then I just break out this F into two components. One component is F cos theta and another component is F sin theta. Now see, what component of force works in direction of displacement? Tell me, F cos theta or F sin theta?
F cos theta.
Cos theta.
That's why when we calculate the value of work done, work done is force into displacement. The basic formula which you have already studied in your earlier classes, what is work? Then basic formula for work is force into displacement. Force into
Displacement.
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 But there is a clause that you have to consider the force which is in direction of displacement. Which is in direction of,
Displacement.
that's why we just consider the component of force in direction of displacement. Then work is equals to F cos theta into S. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any problem till here?
No, sir.
Now, this formula W equals to F S cos theta, we can write W equals to F dot S. We can write W equals to F dot.
Yes.
So we can say that work is the dot product of force vector and displacement vector. Of course, dot product gives the value scalar. That's why work is a scalar quantity. That's why work is a.
Scalar quantity.
Now, if displacement is in the direction of applied force, if the direction of force applied and displacement is same, then what is the angle between force and displacement?
0.
0 degree.
0. If we put 0 here, then we will got W equals to F cos theta, F cos 0 into S. That is W equals to F into S. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we can calculate some rectangular form also regarding this force. If this force vector is represented by Fx I cap, Fy j cap, and Fz k cap, where Fx, Fy, and Fz are the components of force in x, y, and z direction. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can write F equals to Fx I cap, Fy j cap, and Fz k cap. Here, the displacement vector S can be written as xi plus yj plus zk. Then how can we calculate the work done? How can we calculate the work done? Tell me. W equals to F dot S
S.
Dot product.
dot product. When we do the dot product, we know that how we can calculate the dot product in a vector analysis. Then W equals to, in that situation, will become X Fx, Y Fy, and Z Fz. Is you know now able to understand the basic definition of work, formula of it, or not?
Yes, sir. We can understand.
Fine. Now, talking about the units of work and dimension of work. Unit of work and dimension of work. As you know, the basic formula for work is work equals to force into displacement. Okay? Force into,
Displacement.
now, the dimension formula for force is mlt minus 2, and for distance is, it is L. Then work become ml2 t minus 2. Work become ml2.
T minus 2.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Now talking about the unit. Prakriti. Is Prakriti is there in 11th E? Is Prakriti is there in 11th E? Tell me. Okay. Ansh Bhardwaj.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty, Ansh? Till here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Any other student? Any other student? Any difficulty?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now talking about unit of work. The unit of work is of two types. One is absolute unit and one is gravitational unit. One is absolute unit and one is
Gravitational unit.
the absolute unit in SI system. The absolute unit in SI system for work is joule. For work is joule.
Joule.
When we says that 1 joule of work is to be done, when we says then 1 joule of work is to be done, tell me.
When a force of 1 Newton moves something 1 meter.
Okay. A work is said to be 1 joule when a force of 1 Newton is actually move a body through a distance of 1 meter. Absolutely right. When a body moves a distance of 1 meter by the application of 1 Newton of force. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then we can say that the work done is 1 joule. Okay. Now talking about what is 1 erg. Don't do such kind of annotation in all things. If anyone is trying to do, I can stop this annotation. If you really want, I don't want to do something. Now talking about what is erg. What is erg? Erg is the SI unit or CGS unit of work done. Erg is the CGS unit of work done. Work is said to be 1 erg when a force of 1 dyne actually move a body through a distance of 1 centimeter in the direction of applied force. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now talking about the gravitational unit of work. Now talking about the gravitational unit of work.
Gravitational unit.
Gravitational unit of
What do you mean by gravitational unit? Tell me. What is the meaning of gravitational unit?
Practical unit.
Gravitational unit is also considered as two types. In SI system, gravitational unit is kilogram meter. Gravitational unit is kilogram meter.
Me.
Work is said to be 1 kgm when a force of 1 kgf move a body through a distance of 1 meter. If we apply a force of 1 kgf, if we apply a force of
1 kgf.
and body displaced through a distance of,
1 meter.
then we say is that the work done is 1 kgm. Work done is 1 kg.
M.
We can calculate W equals to Fs cos theta. 1 kgm equals to 1 kgf into 1 meter into cos 0. And we know that 1 kgf can be written as 9.8 Newton. 9.
8 Newton.
So we can say that 1 kgm equals to 9.8 joule. 9.8.
Joule.
Similarly, 1 gram centimeter can be written as 980 ohm. 980. 980.
Ounce.
Okay. Now talking about nature of work. Talking about nature of
Work.
Work.
As we talk about the nature of work, work is of 3 types on the basis of nature. One is positive work, one is negative work, and one is zero work. One is positive work, one is negative work, and one is
Zero work.
Zero work.
zero work. Okay, talking about positive work. There is a formula W equals to F dot S, that is Fs cos theta. That is Fs cos.
Theta.
Theta. Theta.
If theta is acute angle that means less than 90, then cos theta become.
Positive.
Positive.
In that situation, work done is
Positive.
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 if a, for examples, if a body falls under gravity. If a body falls under
Gravity.
If a body falls under gravity, then what will happen? Here you can see that if a body falls under gravity, I just want to indicate you. Suppose there is a body. This body falls under
Gravity.
Gravity.
Then displacement is in direction downward. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Displacement is in direction
Downward.
downward. And force is also downward.
Downward. Yes, sir.
I just already explained you if the direction of force and the displacement is same. If the direction of force and the displacement is same, then angle between them is
0 degree.
Zero.
and cos 0 become +1.
One.
Or we can say that when a body falls under gravity, then the work done is positive work. Then the work done is
Positive.
Work.
clear.
Yes, sir.
What is negative work? When the angle between force and displacement is obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 degree, then cos theta become.
Negative.
In that situation, work done is.
Negative.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
The example of negative work is when a body falls upward against the gravity. If a body falls upward against the gravity, then the force is downward and displacement is.
Upward.
Upwards.
Then the angle between them is
180 degree.
180 degree.
and cos 180 become.
Minus
Minus
That's- That's why when a body goes upward against the gravity, then the work done is negative. And when a body falls downward with gravity, then the work done is.
1. Positive.
Positive.
Got my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Gaurav? Gaurav? Gaurav, Garvit? Any difficulty till here? Any difficulty till here? Any student? Tell me clearly.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now talking about zero work. Now talking about
0 work.
Zero work.
when force applied F and displacement S both are 0. if F is 0 or S is 0 or both are 0. That means in absence of applied force, work done is 0. In absence of not any displacement, work done is 0. If both become 0, then work done is
0.
suppose a person push a wall. He apply the force. He apply the
Force.
but displacement is
0.
I think बच्चा आप लोगों में से किसी का माइक ऑन है, माइक ऑफ करो, बहुत वॉइस आ रहा है. फाइन. Now talking about zero work, the situation is when the force is 0, when the displacement is 0, when both is 0. Okay. Now work done becomes 0 in some situation also, when the angle between force and displacement become 90. These are the 4 situations for work done to become
0.
when we push a wall, then we applied some force, but in that situation when we applied some force, then displacement become 0, because the wall cannot be pushed, okay, or displaced, you can say that. That means in that situation force is not 0 but displacement is 0, and when displacement is 0, then work done become
0.
clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear.
Not talking about work done by variable force. Very important topic, very important topic. How can we calculate work done by variable force? Listen very carefully. Okay, now there is a position A and there is a position B. Clearly you can see or not?
Yes, sir.
From
Yes,
A position to B position, the work done is variable. Here work done is this much, and here work done is here force is this much. Force is variable from A point to B point,
B point.
B.
because force is increasing. You can clearly see by the graph. From A to B, force is increasing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that
Yes,
means
sir.
this is not a constant force. This is a variable force. Now we have to learn that in case of variable force, how can we calculate the work done? Okay, okay, bacha.
Okay, sir.
Fine. In that situation,
Okay, sir.
we just consider a small displacement from A to B path. The actual path is from A to B distance. We have just considered P and Q point here, and we just consider a small length at the total displacement AB. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now we can say that this PQ displacement is too small. This PQ displacement is too small that we can say that in the from P to Q, then force almost become constant. Force almost become
Constant.
here. We don't consider this small change. This change is too small. This change is too small. Then we can say that the value of force become constant here. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
now a small amount of work done in moving a body from P to Q. Now a small amount of work done in moving a body from P to Q. That is dW. That is dW. This will become F into dx. F into,
dx.
now dx displacement is represented by PQ and force is represented by PS. Force is represented by
ps.
this PS will represent force and this PQ will represent displacement. Okay.
Displacement.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
we just do PS into PQ, this will become the area of strip PQRS, because this strip is rectangular in shape. This strip is,
Rectangular.
Rectangular in shape.
that means when we calculate the small work done in moving a body from P to Q, we will got area of strip PQRS.
R.
And if
Alright.
I just want to calculate the work done in moving a body from A to B, then I have to calculate the work done for all the strips and add them.
Yes, sir.
Them.
Done.
Okay. Then I can
Okay,
write
sir.
total work done equals to summation of small work, that is FDX. That is,
FDX.
FDX.
this is a very important formula. W equals to summation of F dx.
dx.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
11th L, the next lecture is also mine for physics. Okay. 11th L,
Okay, sir.
the next
Yes,
lecture,
sir.
the next lecture is also mine. I will take lecture after a 5-minute gap after the completion of this class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Today this class is as a substitution of English class, as your English faculty is on leave today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now here we can see that if this I just want to calculate the value of work done from A to B, then what can I do? W equals to summation FDX, summation.
FDX.
But
FDX.
the calculus states that if this dx is very small, if this dx, that is the displacement PQ, is very small, then summation become integration. Summation become,
Integration.
ये concept we will
Integration.
ये concept हमने use किया ना पहले.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then W become integration of f dx, where integration vary from A position to B position. A position to,
B position.
suppose the
B position.
displacement at point A, suppose the displacement at point A with respect to origin is XA, and displacement of B with respect to origin is XB, is XB.
B.
B.
Then I can calculate the work done, that is integration from XA to XB, area of strip PQRS, area of strip PQ.
RS.
What I just do, I just calculate the area of a small strip and then integrate it from the terminating point A and B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In simple language, I can write it as W equals to area of ABCD. That means area under the force and time graph. Area under the force and time. Suppose we have force and displacement curve. Here this is DC. Then just calculate the area of A, B, C, D, A. This area will give the value of work done by a variable force. Okay. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
If you integrate a small area, then you can calculate the combined area under the F and X curve. Okay. Is you able to understand or not?
Yes, sir.
I can give some better explanation also regarding it. Suppose there is a point A and the displacement of A point with respect to reference point is SA, and there is a point B and the displacement of B with respect to some reference point is
SB.
SB. First, what you have to calculate? First, calculate the work done from P to Q, and P and Q is any in between point from A to B. You just consider a 2 point P and Q in the path in between A to B, and just calculate the work done for P to Q and then integrate it from terminating limit A to B. You will get the value of total work done by a variable force. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I just do, just calculate work done from P to Q, that is dW, that is F dot ds, that is F dot.
DS.
And when I just want to calculate the work done from A to B, then W becomes integration of A to B, SA to SB, F dot ds, F dot.
DS.
So in today class, we have discussed few points. I just recall out what we have just done. We have just learned the definition of work in physics with the help of force and displacement, then rectangular combination regarding work done, then dimension and unit of work, what is absolute unit and one is what is gravitational unit of work in a clear manner. After that, nature of work, that is positive, negative and zero work, and then in the last, work done by variable force. And when we calculate work done by variable force, there are two methods I have just shown you. That is, one is graphical method. How can you calculate the work done? Okay. And then another one is mathematical treatment with the help of integration. When we calculate the work done by integration, then it is called as mathematical treatment. And when we calculate work done by area, then it is called as graphical treatment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the next class, we will discuss about the conservative and non-conservative forces. We will just do your attendance part. Okay. I just want to take your attendance. So first section E. Section E is ready for attendance. Section E. Ready for attendance? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Astha, sorry. Tell me. Today is 18th of August. Okay. Abhinav Meena. Abhinav Meena is present or not? Abhinav Meena is present or not? Okay. Abhinav Tomar.
Present, sir.
Aditya Man Rai. Akshit Balian. Arjun Singh.
Present, sir.
Arnav Sharma.
Present, sir.
Aryan Dahiya.
Present, sir.
Aryan Naresh. Avnish Gupta.
Present.
Okay. Ayushman Rathi. Bharat Kumar. Bhavya.
Present, sir.
Devika Singh. Today Devika is absent. As usual, Devika is not taking leave at any cost. Okay. Garvit. Gaurav.
Present, sir.
Jyotiraditya. Kshitish Sharma. Garima. Lakshya Kataria. Lakshadip Tomar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Prakriti Singh.
Present, sir.
Pranav. Rahul Lathi.
Present, sir.
Rini Mohan.
Present, sir.
Ritika.
Present, sir.
Rupesh. Sehjot.
Present, sir.
Shikhar. Shivanshi.
Present, sir.
Shreyaditya. Shubhajit.
Present, sir.
Vanshika. Aryan Rana.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ronit. Nishant Garg.
Present, sir.
Now, talking about L section. talking about L section. अभय अभिनव चौधरी, भूमि चौधरी, अंश भारद्वाज,
Present, sir.
वंशिका गोयल, तनिष्का शर्मा,
Present, sir.
तनिष्का,
Yes, sir.
how was the class?
Sir, good.
Fine. स्नेहा चौधरी,
Present, sir.
आनंद प्रकाश, योग्या सिंह, अनुष्का यादव, हिमांशी विहान, वेदांशी त्यागी,
Present, sir.
रिमझिम, साक्षी, दीपांशी मित्तल,
Present, sir.
सुनीत कौर,
Present, sir.
भूमिका वर्मा, अजय सिंह, श्रुति मौर्य,
Present, sir.
तनिष्का साई शर्मा,
Present, sir.
अर्णव त्यागी, कनक वर्मा, यश सिद्धार्थ, वंशिका ऋषि।
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse me,
please.
sir. Sir, अर्णव त्यागी present.
ओके बच्चा।
सर नेट नहीं चल रहा आज.
वंशिका ऋषि, तनय सक्सेना, वंशिका अलावत,
Present, sir.
रितिका चौधरी, सान्या तोमर,
Present, sir.
अद्वित त्यागी, हार्दिक सिंह,
Present, sir.
कोमल मिश्रा, मनीषा,
Present.
स्नेहा, क्रिश,
Present, sir.
कार्तिक, लव और लास्ट
Karthik. Present, sir.
I have this mark Karthik. Yashvardhan Bhardwaj. Okay, I just already shared this all notes on my Guru portal. You can go at Guru.
Sir.
You can go at Guru and just see Work, Energy and Power by Engineer M.K. Gupta. You will got my notes there, and I'm also sharing these notes on my official WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Anything else? Anything else?
No, sir.
Somebody wants to say something? Tell me. Okay. I think 1 minute left to complete the meeting. Please tell me any difficulty you face in class, anything else. 11th L, just ready for attending the class of next session of 11th physics after 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By the same link. By the same link.